Hi guys, happy Wednesday. This week at school, if we are at school, we will be talking about celebrating the USA. The USA is America, where we live, our country. We live in the state of Pennsylvania. But a lot of times when we celebrate America, there's a lot of fireworks and barbecues and parties. So today we're going to make an experiment about fireworks in a jar. So what I have is I have a glass of water. It's a little warm. I have some oil. This is oil. I have oil in a bowl. And I have some...
What are you making?
I have some food coloring. So what we're going to do is we're going to...
What are you making?
Fireworks in a jar.
I want to do it.
So we're going to add... Hold on. The couple drops.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There's like little
5,
drops here.
6, 7.
You got red.
Boo, 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 boo.
I'm going to put some yellow in. Now if you notice, the food coloring is just like little droplets in the oil here, right? It's not mixing in, it's just kind of floating. And we're going to add some blue.
A favorite color. What's that?
That's water.
Oh, like that. In the water. In the bowl.
This is oil. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to
Mix.
use our little...
I want to do it.
Can I see this, please? We're going to use our little whisk. We're going to just mix up the colors. Well, Noelle's going to mix up the colors.
That makes it ugly.
All right, that's good, please. All right, just tap it off a little bit here. And then we're going to pour it. Look, if you can look closely, it's like all little tiny beads of the colors.
Wow.
So we're going to pour it in.
Wow. That's cool.
Our water here. Can you like scrape and you see like how it goes through? Oh, I guess I used too many colors. We have to do this again. I think I might have used too many colors. So I hope, did you guys watch when it went down? All right, let's dump it.
And let's try again.
Try it again. Don't mind my sink. Excuse me.
Let's try.
All right, that's right. Wash this out.
Let's do red and blue. Let's do red and blue. That's it.
Dry it off a little bit.
How much times did you mix that? Mix up.
All right, let's try again. Add some oil. This time I won't use as many colors.
We only use 2. Now
I'm going to do the drops.
I'm going to do this.
No, I'm going to do the drops.
We're
All right,
making
so let's just do like
2, 3.
We'll do 3 of each. 3. This time we're going to try pink.
Blue.
And blue. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now I was going to mix it. Just a little bit. Not a lot. All right, so we didn't mix it up as
much.
So we're going to look closely. All right, and let's pour it in. I'm going to let's move my stuff in the background here. All right, now let's just see. Oh, there we go. See how it's dropping through there? They kind of look like fireworks. There's the blue, the pink,
The red. going to turn the water purple. Well, that's like a magic.
It is like magic. Because the food coloring
No, I think you
goes
did it
through
right
the
the first
oil.
time.
Well, I did, but we used like too many colors. It would happen too fast. This time it was a little bit slower. So the food coloring sits in the oil, and then it works its way through, and then goes into the water, right? Because you can see the oil sitting on the top, because oil is thicker than water.
So water is
so
like
it sits.
light and oil's heavy.
So it sits
So
on top.
it looks
So
almost
heavy.
like raindrops too.
It kind of did look like raindrops.
Can I mix it?
Well, it's just gonna look blue. You gonna mix it?
Mix, 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 mix. We can probably make some eggs. Oil and okay, dump it out.
All right, you're all done. Let's just take a look one last time.
I see glitter.
You see glitter. The glitter. Well, she thinks it's glitter. It's actually the oil. You can see it bubbling. Because the oil, she mixed it all, and now the oil is now rising back up to the top and separating itself from the water. Well, that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later. Bye.